Welcome to Advanced Copilot at Work. Today, we're diving into the powerful capabilities of our latest AI tool. This session will provide an overview of Advanced Copilot and demonstrate how it can revolutionize your daily workflow. Advanced Copilot is designed for high-level tasks, blending deep data analysis with complex content generation, making it your ultimate copilot in challenging projects. Our first use case focuses on deep data analysis. Copilot can process massive datasets and visualize complex information, offering actionable insights instantly. Next, for complex coding tasks, Advanced Copilot assists developers by generating and debugging intricate code snippets, significantly speeding up development cycles. See how Copilot handles strategic document generation, from drafting comprehensive business reports to creating detailed executive summaries based on multiple sources. Copilot excels at proactive problem-solving, anticipating issues before they arise, and suggesting strategic solutions through continuous data monitoring and analysis. Don't miss the live demonstration on 7/30, where we'll showcase these capabilities in real-time scenarios, answering your technical and practical questions. We will conclude with a Q&A session, providing resources, collecting your feedback, and outlining next steps for integrating Advanced Copilot into your teams.